Okay. This is a big old ravine. There's a big old hill here. It's like a, is this an old pit? Is this a pit or the back side of the pit?
No, this is a pit.
Okay, we're in an old oil field pit. My dad was sitting up there where the rig was at, but a huge tornado blew it down. Oh, here, almost looked like a rose rock. Okay, we should be having blood somewhere through here. He took a tumble down here. Oh, yep, there's blood already right there. Let me see if I can get a, yeah, that's a better light right there.
Go ahead. Right down the creek.
Oh, yeah, there's some more blood. More blood. He's starting to leak pretty good. Oh, yeah, definitely. Oh, yeah, look at that. Starting to get into a red carpet. Oh, yeah, there he is right there. Oh, yeah, he's a nice little buck. Look at that. He's got a cool little crab claw. He got 4 on one side and 3 on the other. He's a 7-point.
Yep.
Yep.
We didn't bring the haul.
Nice 7-point. Yeah, we forgot the hauler. Oops. That's what happens when you're both disabled and one of us has a bad memory. That would be me. Man, that is awesome. We both got Halloween bucks. Woo!